Hey everyone, welcome back to another daily bullet journal planning session. My name's Emily and I'm a mom of 2 kids and a wife. And if you want to hear what real life is like and not Instagram perfect life, then you've come to the right place. So join me as I tell you about my crazy life. Well, it's not really crazy, it's just, it's just real. So, writing down that my friend Janae is going to watch my kids while I get my hair cut, and then I was waving my hand fancily to show you the new colors that I chose for my July habit tracker. We have chosen make the beds, do the cat box, sweep, pick up, eat clean, move, bed by 11, art journal, and YouTube. So the eat clean, now, to healthy person standards, what I mean by eating clean and what you mean by eating clean are probably 2 different things. By me eating clean, I just mean like not shit. So, I finished up my intermittent fasting tracker from yesterday. Didn't eat after dinner, so that was good. And I did take a walk last night after dinner. It was very nice. I thoroughly enjoyed it and plan on doing it again today. Today is going to be sunny, so look at that sun, all fancy. 87 degrees, perfect. I think we'll probably go to the pool. What do you know? I am writing Michael's birthday. That is my husband, not a random person. So he will be celebrated today. Although if you've been married for a while, you know how it goes. Like last night I was like,
Babe, I don't have a present for you. I'm sorry. There just hasn't been time. There just has not been time to go peruse aisles to look for you. Whatever.
he doesn't want anything anyway. He gets our love. Isn't that enough? Film, upload, take a walk. Want to do that. And then I am slapping in a sticker. Or no, I did not slap in a sticker. Oh, I did. Oh, God. I'm confusing myself. I'm getting my hair done at 11. I found that little blow dryer sticker from, I think it was an old Erin Condren set. And then wrote in that we're going to the pool. And then tonight we will make him his favorite meal and have some cake. And we'll get him a nice card. I mean, don't feel too sorry for him. He basically buys what he wants when he wants anyway. So, isn't every day your birthday when you do that? This week I am doing something new, you guys. Hold on. I am picking a word of the week. And when you Google motivational 7-letter words, there's actually a lot. And so this week I chose nourish. So, in this first Monday box is going to be my N. And then I just drew a little stick figure flower. And that's about as good as my artistry gets. But I just couldn't figure out what to do down there, and I just was in need of a little motivation. So, along those same lines, I am filling out a quote along the edge of my planner because I just love quotes, When you need a little pep in your step, just read somebody else's fancy words. And I'm probably going to put a picture or pictures from this week in the weekly or in the daily boxes like I did last week. Just because I have one that I don't know what I'm going to use for. I am writing like wildflowers, you must allow yourself to grow in the places you never thought you would.
Isn't that fucking great?
I mean, seriously, you just have to let yourself grow. Sometimes I think we're our own biggest roadblocks. So, those areas that we convince ourselves that we are never going to get better in or we're never going to overcome, we have to just let ourselves flourish. Let yourself flourish today, people. So, that's kind of where my word nourish came from this week. I just want to nourish the things that I know are good for me and will lead to growth in my life.
Holy shit, this is so Tony Robbins. Okay.
I like it though, you guys. I do. And I did not plan this out in pencil, and it actually turned out to fit, like just exactly. So if that doesn't start the week out on a right note, I don't know what the heck will. As you can see, the spread looks wildly different from yesterday when I did it with you guys on camera because I hated it then. So I added more of that navy washi on the bottom and then more yellow in the middle. And then 2 boxes in the corner for water and walking that I can check off. So I am lettering in Michael's birthday, rinse and repeat. Like I said, I struggle with these daily boxes sometimes. This is supposed to be more for my to-do lists and hybrid memory keeping. So I just rewrite it all, which doesn't really bother me. Walk, and then I did put in a sticker from the Happy Planner set to remind me of my hair appointment at 11. And then a trip to the pool, which will be soups fun. And then a little cake sticker from a Target dollar spot, and then writing in that we're going to eat some cake. Well, they're going to eat some cake, but I'm going to eat clean. So no cake for me, but I will enjoy watching them eat cake. Maybe I'll have a peach. Okay, with that, you guys go and tackle this week. Nourish yourself. Let yourself flourish.